Look up at the night sky, an endless ocean of stars stretching far beyond what our eyes can see. Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to stand on another world? Imagine the alien landscape beneath your feet and the unfamiliar sky above. The answer lies in one of the universe's greatest secrets, gravity, a force so fundamental that it shapes the very fabric of reality. Gravity is the invisible force that holds galaxies together, keeps planets in orbit, and pins you to the ground. The more massive an object, the stronger its pull. That's why giant planets and stars have such a powerful influence. If two planets have the same mass, but one is smaller, you're closer to its center, so gravity feels stronger. Your mass stays the same, but your weight changes from planet to planet. On a world with less gravity, you'd leap higher. With more, every movement is a struggle. Let's journey through our solar system and feel the pull of other worlds, discovering how gravity shapes each planet's unique environment. Our journey begins with Mercury, the tiny, sun-baked world closest to the Sun. Its weak gravity means if you weigh 150 pounds on Earth, you'd weigh just 57 here, making every step feel light, almost like bouncing on a trampoline. Next is Venus, Earth's so-called twin. Gravity here feels almost the same as on Earth, but don't be fooled. Venus is a toxic inferno with crushing pressure and heat that can melt lead. Then comes Mars, the red planet. With just 38% of Earth's gravity, you'd leap nearly 3 times higher, bounding over rocks and craters with ease. These three rocky worlds show how gravity shapes each planet's story, offering unique experiences for any explorer. Now we enter the realm of giants, where the scale of everything is almost beyond imagination. We begin with Jupiter, the king of planets, a true colossus in our solar system. Jupiter is so massive all the other planets could fit inside it with room to spare. Its sheer size dwarfs everything else nearby. If you could somehow stand on a platform at its cloud tops, you'd feel gravity 2.5 times stronger than Earth's, an almost unimaginable force pressing down on you. A 150-pound person would suddenly feel like they weigh 375 pounds. Every movement would become a monumental effort, as if you were carrying another person on your back. Walking would be impossible. You'd be pinned down by Jupiter's relentless pull, unable to even lift your arms or legs. Jupiter's gravity doesn't just affect you, it shapes the entire solar system, acting as a cosmic bodyguard by capturing comets and asteroids that might otherwise threaten Earth. It holds dozens of moons in its powerful grip, including volcanic Io, whose surface is constantly reshaped by tidal forces. Jupiter also creates extreme weather, like the centuries-old Great Red Spot, a gigantic storm larger than Earth itself, raging for generations. Jupiter reminds us that gravity can be a crushing, overwhelming force, one that shapes worlds and destinies. Next, we visit the planet with the most beautiful rings, Saturn. Saturn, famous for its stunning rings, is a giant with a surprisingly gentle touch. Despite being nearly 10 times Earth's diameter, Saturn's gravity at the cloud tops is only about 6% stronger than Earth's. A 150-pound person would weigh just 160 pounds here, a tiny difference after Jupiter. Saturn's secret is its low density. It would float in water if you could find a big enough tub. Its gentle gravity holds together a delicate system of rings and dozens of moons, including Titan. Floating at Saturn's cloud tops, you'd feel almost normal weight, but the view, rings arching across the sky, would be unforgettable. Saturn shows that gravity isn't just brute force, it can be a subtle artist, shaping beauty in the cosmos. Our journey continues to the mysterious ice giants. Next, we reach Uranus, the pale blue-green ice giant tilted on its side. Uranus is 4 times Earth's diameter, but its gravity is actually a bit weaker than Earth's, about 89%. A 150-pound person would weigh 134 pounds here, feeling lighter and more nimble. Uranus's strange tilt, likely from a massive ancient collision, gives it extreme seasons and a unique ring and moon system. Its moons, named after Shakespearean characters, orbit in a tilted, almost surreal dance. Floating near Uranus, you'd see rings and moons spinning top to bottom, a gentle pull in a strange sideways world. But the journey isn't over. One last giant planet awaits. Our final stop is Neptune, the deep blue ice giant at the edge of the solar system. Neptune is denser than Uranus, so its gravity is stronger, about 14% more than Earth's. A 150-pound person would weigh 171 pounds here, feeling noticeably heavier. Neptune's gravity fuels wild weather, supersonic winds, giant storms, and a chaotic atmosphere. Its largest moon, Triton, orbits backward, evidence it was captured by Neptune's powerful pull. Triton's orbit is decaying. One day it will be torn apart, forming a new ring. Neptune is a world of beautiful chaos, where gravity commands both moons and storms. Our planetary tour is complete, but one question remains. We've travelled from Mercury's sun-baked surface to Neptune's wild winds, discovering that gravity is not a constant. It shapes every world and every possibility for life. On Mars, would life be tall and light, leaping easily? On a super-Earth, would it be short and strong, hugging the ground? Gravity sculpts not just landscapes, but the very forms life might take. As we search for life beyond Earth, we're also searching for new gravitational worlds and the secrets they hold. The universe is vast, and gravity's story is written on every planet, every star, and perhaps on life we have yet to meet. If you like the video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell button to receive all the new space secrets.